Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Advanced Features. Then tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher at the top to activate it. Then click on one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or a button, and follow all of the instructions below the chosen one. In my case, double tap the home button. As you can see, after that, one-handed mode is on. To resize it, hold one of its corners and drag it. After finding the perfect size, let go. To change placement of it, use this icon on the left or on the right. And to move it, hold this line at the top and drag it as well. In order to go back to the standard size screen, click on blurry area. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode completely, use blue switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!